Hello guys, Naren here. In this video we're going to talk about mentor consent form. When you're applying for BITS Pilani WILP program, you need a few major documents like all your educational documents and the BITS application form, employer consent form and mentor consent form. So if you want to know the eligibility to apply this program or what is employer consent form, please check links of those videos in the description. In this video we're going to talk about mentor consent form. So whenever you're applying to a program, always check the how to apply section in that. They'll mention all the details and all the required documents that you need to submit. So when you see point number 8, it says you need to submit a mentor consent form signed by your mentor. So when you click here, there is a description of who is a mentor and what his functionalities or what's his responsibilities towards you are. So mentor is a person who monitors your progress, make sure that you're focused as you apply for this program, you're not getting distracted because of any other professional work or any other personal activities. He makes sure that you complete your assignments on time. He makes sure that you give your exams on time, you give time for your preparations and time for your learnings when you're enrolled in this WILP program. So there are few eligibilities for mentor as well. So for a person who is applying for BTech programs, a mentor could be any employed professionals from BE, BS, BTech, MSc or integrated first degree of BITS or equivalent. But when you're applying for MTech, your mentor should be from ME, MS, MTech or any other higher degree from BITS or equivalent, or must have minimum 5 years of equivalent work experience. So you need to select a person from your organization who is having a minimum of 5 years experience and who understands you well and who can monitor you and guide you in successfully completion of this process. So when you click on apply, you'll be taken to a portal. You need to create a login ID and do the mail verification, and this is the portal you will be landing upon. So the first step would be filling the details or your educational details, academic details, address and all the proofs. And when you fill the first form, the second step would be a PDF with all the details that you filled in the first step, along with empty HR or employer consent form and a mentor consent form. So you need to download that and get it signed from your employer and your mentor. So rescan it and upload it again. So I'm going to take you to that mentor consent sheet so that you get an idea of how the sheet would be and what all details you need to fill in that. So this is the PDF that you will be given once you download the sheet. So first 2 pages will be all the details that you fill in the first step of the application. The third page will be employer consent form, and the fourth page is what we are going to talk about, the mentor consent form. So all the details required here are: name of the mentor, mentor qualification, the university, specializations, designation, name of the organization and work experience, his address and all these personal details. Along with that, you will be asked to submit mentor's resume. So make sure when you are getting this mentor consent form signed from your mentor, you take his resume as well, because these both are required documents for application and approval of WILP program. So choose a mentor who can guide you, who can monitor you and who can help you stay focused in successfully completing this program. Thank you.